How to change language on TradingView? Are you guys facing issues to change language in TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. If you don't know how to download TradingView on your laptop device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open up your app, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here: app setting, drawing panels, language. You are looking to change language, right? Just simply click on language. Once you click on language, you can see multiple options over here. Choose it according to your preference. If you want to change it to Spanish, click on Spanish. After you click on this panel, your app will be refreshed. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change your language on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.